Hi everybody, Merv Neal Holistic Services Group, working remotely as many of us are. Having said that, we're not stopped working for you and with you. So many of the programs that we had face-to-face can actually be done online at present. So while I'm still working very, very closely with businesses and talking to them regularly, we're coming up with all these ideas. And one of them was the other day that the business was ringing in to all of their remote staff who have now been asked to work from home, who weren't normally doing it, in the morning and in the afternoon, and just saying, how are things going with the working from home at present? Is there any challenges that you have or are facing at this stage? And I said to them, I said, did this used to happen before, where the people would check in on how you're going? And they said, no. And I thought, isn't it interesting that it takes a crisis like this for us to actually come up with some ideas about checking in with our staff? So why don't you consider checking in with your staff that are still at your business, if they're still working there, and just say, how are you going? But in particular, especially for the men, because we're not really good at this sort of stuff, how are you currently feeling about this situation? So asking an open rather than a closed question is always a good idea. So checking in on your staff, certainly the ones working remotely, because they will not just have business challenges, but home challenges that they're dealing with at this stage. So just a handy hint and tip from the team here at HSG. Keep well.